niggas in the club tonight. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck, nigga. Trick Daddy, Lil Jon. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go.
If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, we throw big on. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I won't answer now. Who, what, where, why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. Now who he gon' get, and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn person, his homie. Gun up in front of his mama. I'm up the floor with him. And I kick in the door and let the fofo get him. I got fools that'll go get him. That's for him, the boo, and the dude that run with him.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go.
Gotta spit it for the murderers and the killers and the thugsters. They be fucking up the ballers and the dealers and the hustlers. Got me coming at you bogus in the PI while they bumpin' Lil Jon. I'm a Russian. It's a cycle nigga twist up from Chicago. Rollin' with the Miami nigga that'll crush ya. We already be looking for drama. If a nigga try to get into it with us, then we gotta get him. Feelin' pretty from the torture like I never beat you when I'm feelin' feelin'. I'm telling you, took a pen and steal him. Got me swinging Chrissy and Hennessy bottles in the club. And my thug homies going for your Skrilla. Don't get it twisted with that overnight celebrity. You better be scared of me in my city, I'm a killer.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go.
I ain't that rapper type of right, and I ain't that acting type of right. This song ain't in my script, I'm a player. You just a square. See, once that Hennessy enemy, the whole industry is my enemy. And you ain't no kin to me or friend to me, bitch. Don't pretend to me. See, I'm strictly for the thug, for the street, straight out the hood. My MO is ghetto, and I don't even need the gas for you booty cats. I'm straight out the county days. Play your fire, nigga, in my head. You ever come south of the border? First one's born, you're gon' get slaughtered.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go.
The AK go chop, 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 chop. The SK go fuck, 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 fuck. The AK go chop.